go. Same thing here. You're going to feel a little tap inside your neck, right inside here. So turn your head slowly this way. You okay?
Yeah.
Good. That's all you're going to feel, just a little tap. Okay, try to the left a little bit more, just good, as far as you can go. So sometimes the neck gets a little stiff, and so this is just going to help it turn a little bit more. Look up a little bit, good. Good, look straight ahead, and just relax. Just gonna gently tap inside here. Good. So you've been bodybuilding for a long time?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Well, just
Couple years?
Working out a little bit.
A little bit?
A little bit.
Or a lot of bit? You look like you've been working out a lot of it, man.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's been a while.
Mm-hmm. A couple of years?
Since I was 14.
Is that right?
Yeah.
And now you're 62?
63.
That's what.
31.
14, okay.
Yeah,
Cool.
31.
So it's before high school?
Yeah.
Mm.
Actually, no, I was in high school already.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, pretty early.
So how many days a week do you still work out?
Right now, 5.
5 days?
5.
Wow.
I do my best to only do 5.
Mm-hmm. Why, sometimes you want to do more?
Oh yeah, of course. Yeah, actually, yeah. So once you get used to it,
Like an addiction?
Yeah, exactly.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah,
Okay.
so you have to remind yourself that you have to rest.
Yeah, man, your body needs to rest.
Exactly.
Right? Doesn't your body grow when it rests?
Exactly.
Don't they say that?
Exactly.
They say that sometimes people overtrain. Right?
Yeah, that is definitely.
Is that true?
That is correct.
Yeah.
Yeah, your muscles will come. You don't let them rest; they don't get enough oxygen. And
Right. They say you have to eat enough also if you want to grow.
oh,
Right? They say that's important.
oh yeah. Yeah, I'm eating way too much right now. And
Oh yeah?
it's really uncomfortable because you feel bloated all the time.
Mm.
Yeah, but the way I do it is I do it by periods of time.
Oh, okay.
So I'll say I'll do it like tell myself so a month and a half to 2 months I will go over stuff.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Take this arm, go like this for a second. I'm going to ask you to pull your elbow back in just a second, all right?
Sure.
Hold on 1 second. Okay, hold on, nice. Pull it back. There we go. Do the other side, please. I know that feels good.
Oh, yeah.
That was an explosion.
Trust me.
Pull back here. A little harder. Nice. Good. Good. And relax inside here. That was like cannonball shots. I'm going to bend it inside here. Just going to see if there's anything left in here. Good. That was me. And just let it drop nice and easy. Just going to come in here. Good. Just like that. And just relax. Let me take your arm. Just going to come back like this. Just going to try to stretch out your shoulder joints a little bit. Good. Excellent. Come back here. And relax. Let's see here. Just let your arm drop. Good. Good. Right over here as well. Just let it relax. And relax your wrist. Good. Fingers. Good. We're going to adjust your whole spine. Put that on the floor. A little bit more. Just like that. Cool. This arm's going to go across here. Turn here. Good. Ready? So I want you to breathe in really deep. All the way out. Then we twist to the left. Just good. Just like that. Excellent. We're going to go to the other side now. So bring this one on top. Turn this way to the right. Breathe in really deep. All the way out. Just let it go. It's going to rotate. Let it go. Good. Relax your hands for a second. And that feel. Hopefully better than your coach. Your coach used to do. All right. Good. I just want you to slide back a little bit. Slide back. Cool. So this time we're going to try to go right here and then right in the middle. So I'm going to cross your arms again. This time your head is actually going to come down a little bit. I know it's a little uncomfortable. I'm going to ask you to breathe in, then I'm going to say lay back. And I'm going to lay you back. Keep your head tucked like that so you don't strain your back.
Sounds good.
All right? Cool. Just like that. Breathe in really deep. All the way out. Just lean back. Let it go. One more. Come back up. Breathe in again. Real deep. Lean back. Let it go more. Come back here. Good. And relax your hands. Good. That was good. All right. How's that feel?
Yeah, I'm breathing in.
Okay, good. Good. You can breathe, man. You can breathe. All right, cool. Let me have you come and lay face down now for a second, all right? Cool. Good. And come right there. Excellent. Okay. And let me just measure your lower back. Let it go. Nice and easy. Okay. Alright, that left hip is a little rotated, just a bit. Good. You squat at all?
Yeah.
And when you squat, do you feel good even on both sides?
Uh,
Or do you feel like you favor one side?
That's a good question. Not sure.
Not too sure?
Not too sure.
Alright. Do me a favor, I just want you to raise this leg a little bit and come right back down. Cool. You're going to feel a little tap, just like that. That's all you're going to do. I'm going to try to loosen up these SI joints inside here. That's what I'm going to try to do. Alright? Good. Just a bit. That's all I'm doing, just like that. Good. Just relax here. Good. Raise that leg again. That's a little bit looser. Bring it right back down. Awesome. Same thing on this side, please. Bring it up. Right back down. Cool. Just leave it. Just relax easy. Just a little tap. Good. Just like that. Good. Raise that again. That's better. Good. And just relax nice and easy. You can do a little tap on the lower back. By the sacrum. A lot of guys that lift weights for many years that squat, they wear down the discs right inside this area. You know, you gotta be a little careful. Yeah.
I tried.
Yeah. Just wear and tear, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, just wear and tear. Alright, just gonna loosen up the lower back just a little bit. If anything hurts, you just tell me.
Sure.
This usually tickles a little more than it hurts. So what gym do you work out at?
Metro Club, yeah, it's nearby, so.
I didn't know they had free weights.
Yeah, we do.
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Is that the one with the treadmills in the window?
Yeah, that
Okay.
one.
Okay.
Exactly. It's the nearest one, so. Yeah.
Good. A little tight in here. You're gonna feel just a little additional tap. It's not gonna feel as much. Good. I'm gonna be very careful. I want to see if I get a little movement out of your neck a little bit. It's just gonna come here, out of the upper back. You okay with that?
Yeah.
Good. Just gonna bring it here a little bit. That's it. Come back here, yeah, and just relax, easy. Just when we get that upper back. That was easy. Good. Good. Breathe in for me real deep. All the way out. Good. Just relax. Good. Fantastic. And slide down. Just slide down a little bit so your shoulder doesn't hit that. That's cool. Right there. There she is right there. I'm going to bend this leg like this. Awesome. You're going to feel like you're going to fall off, but I promise you won't. You will not fall off. So you come like that. A little more of a rotation. And relax. We're going to adjust the lower back. Okay? So let your leg just kind of slide off a little bit. Let that hip rotate. Good. Relax. I just want you to breathe in for me really deep. And just let it go all the way out. Good. Good. Come on. Good. Rest your hands. Going to bend this. Just like that. Good. You'll let your legs just kind of fall forward. You're going to come here. A little bit more. just like that. And I just want you to breathe in very deep for me, if you don't mind. All the way out, let it go. Good. Lay on your back, face up. On your back, the other back. Yeah.
The other back.
Face up. And bend your knees. Bend your knees up. Yeah, cool. Just like that. And your hands can go right there. There we go. Rest your head. Okay. So what I want you to do with your knees is I just want you to squeeze them together. Squeeze. Good. Separate. Good. Did you ever feel that before?
No.
Good.
Never mind.
Good. Good. Just try to relax your head. It's going to do a circle. So I want to check your hip for a second. Make sure your hips are good. Nice. Good. And just relax in here. Just going to straighten out your leg. Stretch out your hamstring just a little bit. Pretty good. Okay? Good. Just let it come down nice and easy. You know, open up your hip joint and your ankle. A little bit more. Good. Good. A little bit more. Good. And just relax here. Just opening up your hips a little bit. And do a little stretch. Same thing. You're just going to let that go. Let the legs just drop down to the side. A little more. Good. Just let it drop. Just going to stretch out your hamstring a little bit. A little tighter on this side. Good. Just kind of let it drop nice and easy. Just going to open up your hip joint and your ankle a little bit. A little more. Good. Good. Slide up a little bit, please. I got you here. Rest your head. Nice and easy. How you doing so far? All right? Pretty good. Yeah. Good. Good. Okay, hold on a second. And just relax.
If you need me to take the hat off, seriously,
You mind?
I don't care.
All right, cool, man.
I'm just joking around.
You know what I mean?
It's fine.
Anybody that's got hair is a good hair day. Coming from a guy with no hair, I'm just being honest, you know? It's the truth.
Trust me, I'm going to lose it one of these days. I'm just going to take it off.
Stop using shampoo. That's what they say. All right, good. So I'm going to do a little adjustment right inside there. All right, you know, I want you to just kind of relax, nice and easy. Okay? Good. I'm going to turn you a little bit. Your job is just to breathe nice and normally. Good. I'm going to do a little stretching here. Good. A little bit more. Relax those muscles. You feel a little push. Just going to let it go. Come back here. Yeah. Take a minute. Good. Hope your coach didn't do that.
No.
Okay.
I'm not at him.
Okay.
All right.
How'd that feel? Awesome. Awesome.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see if we're ready for the next one. Good. And we're going to do one more. Right there. Same thing, your job is just to relax nice and easy. Focus on the breathing. That's where it's tight. Just gonna put a little stretch inside here. Good. And just relax. I'm gonna just stretch inside here. A little bit more. Yeah, that's a little tight. Good. Just breathe easy. Let's just try to get a little movement. Come back here. Yeah, right.
I've always wondered, when you guys go to school
Yes.
and you start to learn how to do this, the level of anxiety that you guys must go through.
Tremendous.
Because this looks dangerous. Feels good though.
Yeah, it's a lot because we practice on each other.
Wow, that's scary, man.
We do. We practice on each other. Okay, hold on a second. Let's see how I'm doing here. Okay, that was a big movement to your neck. All right. So, I want you to breathe in really deep for me. Breathe in really deep. Let it all go out. Just a little gentle traction. Breathe in again. All the way out. Let it go. Good. Good. Nice and easy. Good. I'm going to put a little stretch here. Give a little stretch in the other direction also. Nice and easy. Nothing hard. Good. Come that side here. Just relax. If you're new to the channel, then just click below and you can subscribe and you'll get new videos sent to your email box every single week. If you like these videos, please support my channel. I really appreciate those people that support me through things like PayPal and Patreon and also sponsoring individual videos. You know what, I really couldn't make these videos without you guys, so I thank you so much. So I'll talk to you soon. I'll check you out next week.